Hello. So today we'll be looking for the impact factor as well as the quartile and percentile of the journal titled Nature Medicine. First, we go to Web of Sciences and we choose here, we click on products and choose journal citation reports. We search for our journal, Nature Medicine. We click on it. Okay, so here we can see, we scroll down. Okay. We scroll down, we can see here the journal impact factor in 2021, which is 87. We can also see the calculation, how it was calculated. And next to it, we can also notice the impact factor without self-citations. If we scroll further down, we can see the rank by journal impact factor, the quartile, Q1, and the journal impact factor percentile also. We can also get these from Scopus. Here we go through sources. Also select title and search for Nature Medicine. Okay, scroll down and we can find its site score. Also the highest percentile, which is 99%, and the citations number. Now for the quartile, we can limit our search and select Q1, first quartile. We apply it. We can see that we can see Nature of Medicine. Now if we select second quartile, no sources were found. We won't find it.
We can also see the list of journals in a specific specialty by going back to journal citation reports. Okay, we click on categories and we choose a specific category. In our case, it's biology and biochemistry. We click on it and we search for a subcategory, which is biochemistry and molecular biology. Okay, so here we get 297 journals in this specific category. We click on it to see the full titles of the full list of journals. And here we can find the title of the 297 journals, including ours, which is Nature of Medicine, each having its impact factor and its quartile. To see the site score of each title of each journal, we have to go back to Scopus and look for the site score of each journal independently. We can also use Scopus to look for the H-index of an author. So we go back to Scopus, we choose authors, and we put the name of our author. In our case, we chose Dr. Ghassan Matar. So we put his last name and his first name and we search for it. And here we can find that he has an index of 25, which indicates a good ranking. Thank you so much. And we can also find the H-index of our authors by going to Google Scholar or by going to Web of Sciences.